हमारे साथ. Amid the cough syrup deaths, Kerala Health Minister Veena George has made a statement. George has said, and I quote, "It is quite unfortunate that 16 children died because of consuming this cough syrup, Coldrif." Kerala Drugs Control Department has issued a notification banning the sale of this drug across the state. We do not have this drug in our essential drug supply list. This is not being supplied by KMCL, but we are ensuring that the sale of this is not happening in other private hospitals or in private pharmacies. Let's listen into what she had to say.
It's quite unfortunate that 16 children died because of consuming this cough syrup, Coldrif. Government of India, the Health Ministry has issued an advisory on the consumption of this cough syrup. Kerala, our drugs controller department, the drugs controller, has issued a notification banning the sale of this drug across the state. We don't have this drug in our essential drug supply list. This is not being supplied by KMCL, which is our corporation, the government corporation, which is supplying medicines to the government hospitals and government medical colleges. But we are ensuring that this is not the sale of this is not happening in other private hospitals and also in private pharmacies.
All right. So joining me on the broadcast right now is Raj Kiran, who is going to give us some more updates on this story. Raj, we saw how Kerala was swift enough to take action. They banned this drug before the central advisory also came in. We saw that they had done it in the first week of October itself. And now the minister has also come to the fore and stated that they are taking all precautionary measures to make sure that such cold and cough syrups are not being sold across the state. Raj.
Yes, the Kerala Health Minister has taken the serious steps towards the Coldrif cough syrup, whereas in this instant, 16 children have died. So after that, not only in Kerala, even other states of India also seen that banning this cough syrup. Now the Kerala Health Minister Veena George says that it's quite unfortunate that 16 people died because of consuming this cough syrup. So now the Ministry of Health and Government of India has issued the advisory on the consumption of this cough syrup. However, Kerala Drug Control Department has issued a notification banning the sale and drug across the state. But Kerala Health Minister also confirmed that we don't have this drug in our essentials drug supply list. However, this is not being supplied by Kerala Health Department, but ensuring that sale of this not happen in other private hospital also and in any pharmacies in Kerala states. Now, after this statement, the one more state has been added in banning this cough syrup, which has been killed by 16 children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and more than 1,000 children have been admitted in hospital due to health issues after consuming this syrup. So now, one more state added, which has been banned by this cough syrup.
Raj Kiran for those updates on this story. Moving on now to some other news that's coming.